30. 30. THIRTY is the way I'm spelled. I am number 40. 40. FORTY is the way I'm spelled. I am number 50. 50. FIFTY is the way I'm spelled.
Let's welcome the next set of numbers as we sing along.
I am number 60. 60. SIXTY is the way I'm spelled. I am number 70. 70. SEVENTY is the way I'm spelled. I am number 80. 80. EIGHTY is the way I'm spelled. I am number 90. 90. NINETY is the way I'm spelled. I'm 100. 100.
That was amazing. I know you're having fun. Let's spell the numbers as they appear on the screen. 10. TEN. 10. 20. TWENTY. 20. 30. THIRTY. 30. 40. FORTY. 40. 50. FIFTY. 50. 60. SIXTY. 60. 70. SEVENTY. 70. 80. EIGHTY. 80. 90. NINETY. 90. 100. ONEHUNDRED. 100. Now for mathematicians, can you say how these numbers are spelled in words? 50 is 50. It's spelled FIFTY. 50. 20. 20 is 20. It's spelled TWENTY. 20. 100 is 100. It's spelled ONEHUNDRED. 100. Keep spelling those numbers as practice makes you better. See you in the next video. Bye.